Imagine yourself surrounded by nature, a forest, a mountain, the ocean, a quiet field. Feel the earth beneath you. Hear the breeze, the birdsong, the rustling of leaves. And as you inhale, fill your mind and heart with gratitude for the beauty of Mother Earth. And as you exhale, imagine sending light and love to the trees, the rivers, the skies, and all living things. Feel your heart expanding like sunlight and share that light with nature. Visualize being a kind donor to the world whenever you can.